Welcome back to another video. Today we shall discuss about the amazing health benefits of cucumbers, and why we should incorporate them into our daily diet. Cucumbers are more than 95% water and nearly 4% carbohydrate by weight. They provide vitamins A, C, and K, folate and other B vitamins, carotenes, and the minerals calcium, potassium, and magnesium. They are an excellent hot weather snack, because they provide both water and electrolytes to help with hydration and blood pressure. Below are the health benefits of cucumbers in more details. Number 1. Prevent constipation. Cucumbers are rich in water, and their skin contains insoluble fiber. Both water and fiber help food to move through the digestive tract quicker and more easily, helping prevent constipation. Number 2. Maintain a healthy weight. Cucumbers are very low in calories and they also contain fiber in the skin. And foods that contain fiber can help maintain a healthy weight. Number 3. Protect your bones. Cucumber are a good source of vitamin K. 1 cup contains 22% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin K. This vitamin is essential for bone health. Number 4. Relieve pain. Flavonoids, which are anti-inflammatory substances, and tannins in cucumbers have both been shown to limit the release of free radicals in the body and to reduce pain. Number 5. Fight inflammation in the body and reduce the risk of cancer. Cucumbers can help lower the inflammatory response in the body. They contain polyphenols called lignans, which can potentially reduce the risk of certain cancers and cardiovascular diseases. They also contain nutrients called cucurbitacins, which have anti-cancer properties. Number 6. Protect your skin against the effects of aging. There is a reason why cucumbers are used in skin care. They have been shown to be effective as a potential anti-wrinkle agent in cosmetic products, protecting our skin from the effects of aging. Number 7. Support heart health. Cucumbers contain potassium, which can help lower blood pressure. A review of the best studies conducted on potassium intake showed that a higher intake is associated with lower rates of stroke and might also reduce the risk of total cardiovascular disease. Number 8. Diabetes. Eating cucumber regularly may help reduce blood sugar levels in diabetics patient. Storage of cucumbers. Cucumbers should be firm, with no soft or mushy spots, and a bright, dark green color. Cucumbers will keep for 7 days in the refrigerator. When storing a cucumber that has been cut, be sure to wrap the cut end tightly. Thanks for watching. For prompt update and more videos on health and wellness, like and subscribe to my channel.